everyone, this is Dr. Poonam Vaidya and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be discussing about the oils which actually saved my hair. So I've been using these oils for the past 5 months and I have seen dramatic results with my hair growth as well as the texture of my hair. I was suffering hair fall 5 months back, so I was really desperate to stop it because जब ब्रेन में बालों का गुच्छा दिखता है ना तो सबसे दिल टूट जाता है उस टाइम. So there are various causes of hair fall such as there are hereditary causes, then there are hormonal causes such as pregnancy, then childbirth, menopause. There are also medical conditions such as thyroid disorders, alopecia, ringworm infection. There can be hair loss due to lifestyle changes or any medications that you are taking that are antipsychotic drugs, antidepressants or antihypertensive. These type of certain medications can also lead a lot of hair fall in individuals. So for me, it was mainly because of stress and not only the stress at work. Actually, I was doing a lot of chemical and heat treatments for my hair. So whatever new is in trend, I usually go for it, such as ombre, I go for highlights, I go for global. I just really love to experiment with my hair. But the thing is, everything comes with a lot of consequences. So I also tried a lot of DIY treatments which were available on the internet, such as onion juice oil, avocado mask. I tried banana hair mask, I tried fenugreek hair mask or methi dana wala hair mask. Frankly speaking, I don't like the smell, and if you have used these DIY, you must be knowing that it's really hard to remove those fruit and methi dana chunks from your hair. So I was not looking for something which is DIY and which just gave me some nausea feeling after application. So I was looking for some kind of oil treatment because I think deep oil treatments are really good for your hair. So what I did, I read a lot of articles, and when I say a lot of articles, I literally read a lot of articles on essential oils which are really beneficial for your hair. So after reading a lot of articles, I just narrowed down to few oils which I thought would be beneficial for my hair. So the first oil is rosemary oil. It smells absolutely divine. Means rosemary oil is so aromatic in nature, and I bought 100% cold pressed rosemary oil. Some researchers have also shown that rosemary benefits same as minoxidil. Minoxidil is basically a drug which is given in the treatment of alopecia. So the researchers say that rosemary actually works just as well as minoxidil, but it does not have the side effects of minoxidil, such as dry scalp or itchiness. So I decided to give it a try, and I have been using it for 5 months now. Rosemary oil also helps in the prevention from premature graying. I have written a blog post on the benefits of rosemary oil. I'll put the link in the description below. If you want, you can just go and check it out. So the next one is the argan oil. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E, which is the antioxidant, and it also prevents the hair from dryness, then itchy scalp. It also prevents it from dandruff, and it also gives a nice shine and luster to your hair. The next one is the avocado oil. So avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, and it is very beneficial for hair. It actually deeply penetrates your hair shaft and makes it really smoother and softer. It is very useful in preventing hair breakage, and it is also very beneficial in improving the health of your scalp. Fourth oil is castor oil. So castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid as well as omega-6 fatty acids. So when you massage your scalp with castor oil, it really improves the circulation and promotes hair growth. Next comes the olive oil. So I use extra virgin olive oil for my hair as well as for cooking. So it is rich in antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So olive oil is really good for promoting the hair growth and promotes the health of your hair. It evenly moisturizes your hair and it promotes and give a beautiful shine to it. And my base for adding all these oils is coconut oil. So I have been using parachute oil since I was a kid. If you want, you can use almond oil as your base. So what you have to do, you just take a bowl and you put some coconut oil in that and add 3 to 4 drops of the essential oils which I have mentioned earlier. So you can gently mix it and apply it on your scalp, giving a nice massage so that you can get a proper circulation in your scalp, as well as apply on your full length. So I usually give 3 oil treatments to my hair. I keep it overnight and then wash my hair the next day. Apart from giving these type of oil treatments to my hair every week, I also prefer to use rosemary oil as my serum. Rosemary oil is not sticky, it has a very good aroma, it calms your senses, and it is very good for giving an added shine to your hair. Apart from these oils, there are various tips which you can apply in your hair routine. Don't wash your hair in warm water. So whenever you are giving a rinse to your hair, please wash it in cold water because it will just combat the dryness and it will make your hair more shinier, more healthier. If you have long hair, always try to put a braid while you sleep. Then try to use this kind of wooden hair brush for your hair because this wooden brush absorbs the oil, the natural oils from your scalp, and when you just brush it along your hair, what happens? This oil just spread to your hair and it makes your hair more healthier and moisturized. Then limit heat treatments for your hair. I mean blow drying, curling, crimping. They are very good. I know I also love to do that, but try to limit it as much as possible. Try to use a mild shampoo and conditioner as well as don't wash your hair in hard water because hard water can make your hair really harsh, rough and brittle. Apart from the essential oils that I have mentioned, you can also try various other oils such as peppermint oil, lavender oil, then you have bergamot, thyme and lemongrass oil. Also, don't expect any miraculous results with just 1 month of usage of this oil. I have been using it for 5 months. I am not saying that I can do a shampoo commercial right now, but yes, it has helped a lot, and I will keep continuing doing all these steps in my daily routine so that my hair are more healthier and more stronger with each passing day. So this is all for today. Hope you like it, and if you like my channel, please subscribe to it and hit the notification bell. So you can also follow me on Instagram, and see you in the next video. Bye.